Today's 6 budding inventors will reveal their unusual new products on the Steve Harvey Show this afternoon, and they're going to compete to see which of their ideas dazzle Steve's studio audience and a panel of judges. A Virginia woman named Christina Daves is one of the inventors competing, and she joins us this morning with more on her invention. And good morning.
Good morning, Barbara.
Glad you could join us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Well, tell us, first of all, how did you hear about this competition on the Steve Harvey Show?
There's something called HARO, which is Help a Reporter Out, and they send queries for different things, and there was just an anonymous query that said, do you have a product you'd like to take to the next level?
And the idea that you get a $20,000 prize, I think...
we didn't know.
You didn't know that?
We did not know until we got to the show. We were in the green room, and they popped in and said, oh, by the way, you're all competing for a $20,000 prize.
Wow.
We had no idea.
Well, tell us about your invention.
Okay, so what I did, I actually broke my foot in the summer of 2010 and was put in a medical boot.
In a medical boot, and that's what these all are,
yeah.
medical boots. They don't look like the ones we usually see on the street.
And I was actually headed to New York, fashion capital of the world, and thought, I can't go looking like this. So it started coming to me, and I came home and started designing, and I came up with some fur cuffs to kind of make it look like an Ugg boot, and we've got really easy socks that you can, dress up on the boots and put up, and flowers to put on them. And the flowers are great because they all have a pin back and an alligator clip, so you can wear them after injury.
So tell me, are these all just the regular medical boots that you can buy accessories to go with?
Yeah, this line that I have here is from DJO, which is the largest orthopedic bracing company in the world. So odds are you're probably going to get one of these boots, so we kind of designed to go on these.
And of course, you tell me you came up with the idea because you were wearing one yourself.
I was wearing one, correct.
Okay, what kind of inventions were you up against on the show?
There's somebody who has an accessory for an iPad, a woman who has a very unique earmuff, a singles calling card, a great shoe tying aid, and then somebody who's got something that you put on a bed to help with storage in a dorm, or small like apartments.
On the bed or under the bed?
It goes under the bed, but I'll let you watch and see exactly what it is.
Coming up this afternoon.
Yeah.
Well, we wish you good luck with this, because I tell you, I see a lot of folks out there. Keith, my partner over there, was in one of these boots until just a few days ago, so he probably would have loved to have had some of these decorations to go on.
Almost 4 million people, so we want them to look and heal their best and experience the healing power of fashion.
Men, for men and women.
Yeah.
Well, we thank you so much for coming in, and we wish you good luck.
Great.
Of course, we'll find out who the winner is this afternoon on the Steve Harvey Show. That's at 2 o'clock right here on NBC 4, and we will see if you win.
Okay,
Good
thank you.
luck.
Thanks
Good
so
luck
much.
To you.
Thanks for having me.